In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show ruler in Google Docs. If you've ever struggled to line things up just right or wondered why your margins feel off, the ruler is a simple tool that makes formatting much easier. Let's walk through how to turn it on, what it's useful for, and how to hide it when you're done. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. With your document open, look toward the very top of the screen and click on the View menu. From that drop-down, select Show Ruler. As soon as you do, a ruler will appear along the top edge of your document. It's a slim horizontal bar that shows measurements and visual markers for your page layout. Depending on your settings, the measurements might display in inches or centimeters, but the idea is the same. It gives you a clear guide for how your text and elements are placed on the page. Now, what can you actually do with it? The ruler is perfect for adjusting margins so your content fits exactly how you want it on the page. It helps you set paragraph indents, which is useful if you're formatting reports, essays, or any document that needs consistent structure. It's also handy for controlling bullet and text spacing, which keeps lists neat and aligned. In short, the ruler gives you a quick visual reference so your document looks clean, professional, and consistent from start to finish. If you don't see the ruler after turning it on, there's a quick setting to check. Make sure you're in Print Layout View. To do that, go back to the View menu and click Print Layout so that it's enabled. Once Print Layout is on, the ruler should be visible at the top of your page. This view is designed to show how your document will look when printed, which is why the ruler is tied to it. And when you no longer need the ruler, hiding it is just as simple. Open the View menu again and click Show Ruler to toggle it off. You can switch it on or off anytime, depending on what you're working on. That's all there is to it. Turning on the ruler in Google Docs takes just a moment, and it gives you precise control over margins, indents, and spacing for a more polished document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.